Hello, Justin Willie speaking, and today I'd like to show something that sometimes we do in the kitchen, and that is to make a peanut butter English on an English muffin. I had these since I was a kid. Here's how you make one of these. First, you need an English muffin like this, and a slicing knife. 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 If you you're just young, you better get an adult to help you with this part. You slice it in half. Doesn't have to be perfect, and you just open it in half, kind of like a clamshell, but softer. Then you need some peanut butter and a spreading knife, and not too much. Then you make sure you spread it evenly. Make sure that you at least got enough. Make sure the rest of your peanut butter's put on there. Then you put the two halves together. And that's it. But for me, I always have the option of putting it in a microwave to give it a much more of a newy, gooey sort of flavor, really. And that's how you make an English muffin with peanut butter in the middle. And I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy way to make the kitchen more interesting. If you like to see more simple ways you can do some cooking right at home, please like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and I should be able to do some more videos like this. Hope you have a nice day.